Today it's down 20.22%. Disgusting. Disgusting. Good. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And if you enjoy my content and want to support my channel, please check out my Patreon. And just a reminder, I'm giving away this Xbox Series S. Contest ends on Friday. If you want to enter the contest, I'll link the video in the description down below. So here's Ocugen. Yeah, what did I say yesterday? What did I say yesterday? If you guys recall, I said the RSI is at 81. Yesterday, the RSI was at 81, and I said, okay, this is getting pretty frothy now. You know, the RSI is saying it's getting overvalued and overbought, and had an incredible run all the way from like 550 all the way to 16. So, no, that's over 200% gain there. So, yeah, I said, guys should probably sell. And then what happens when I say sell? You know, it's not a popular opinion, and then everyone dislikes the video. But you know what's funny? No one comments anymore. No one comments any hate, because ever since I did the segment of haters going hate, you know, where I put the hate comments on the screen and I put them on blast, no one dares comment any hate anymore. But they'll still dislike the video. So I find that pretty funny. But anyway, so I got a lot of dislikes. But hey, look, I was right. I was right again. See? Yesterday it was at like 1580. If I remember correctly. Today it's down 20.22%. Disgusting. Disgusting. Good. Alright, so it finishes down 20.22% today. Climbing a little bit in the after hours. But, yeah, pretty big L today. Pretty nasty. The RSI is sitting at 62. So, it appears there's more selling to go. And the moving average convergence divergence is kind of confirming this. It's on a downtrend, so the graph shows that there's still more selling to go. You know, can't guarantee that, but we use tools to make educated predictions, educated guesses. So I would say that, yeah, this still has more selling to go. Can't say how much, but it looks like this is still going to pull back a little bit. So if it does pull back, next line of support would be 10.9, like $11. Then it would be 9.6, 7.7, and then 5.3. Probably not going to go that low, but hey, if you can get this at 5.3, that'd be a pretty nice buy. And if it goes to the upside, the next line of resistance would be 13.5. Then like 16, and then the high of 18.8. And then if it goes above that, who knows? Market will decide for itself. If you guys want, go check out my video I did yesterday on Ocugen. There was a DD, and I said personally I probably wouldn't buy into this. I don't really believe in the fundamentals. It's still in testing phases and not approved in many countries. But a lot of apes, a lot of people are excited about this. I don't see it, but I respect everyone's opinion. And hey, if it makes money, it makes money. So for now, if you got out at 17, congratulations. Very happy. I'd still probably sell here. I think it has more room to pull back, but we'll see where this goes. All right, so let's talk about Microvision. So today it's up 11.11%. It's down quite a bit in the after hours. It fell back below 15, but it's still up pretty big today. Let's just analyze this very quickly. If you look down here, follow the cursor, RSI is at 50. So things are back to normal now. Look at that. So I would say, yeah, this could be a fair price for Microvision. You could argue this is a fair price. I don't know if I think it's a fair price, but that's what the graph says. That's what the chart says. So at this price, $15, Microvision can be justified as a buy here. So I said yesterday, if you are bullish on Microvision, it's not a bad idea to set some buy orders at the $12 mark and then another one at $10, because I really don't think it's going below $10, and $10 would be a pretty good price. But I also said last week, you see this gap? It gapped down from about 17.5 to whatever this is, 15.7. But when there's a gap, the gap usually fills. So there was a gap up before from 18, so I said it's coming back down to 18, and it did. And then it gapped down from 17.5, so I said it's probably going to go back up to 17.5 at some point. It appears that it's pushing that now. It almost made it. It got to like 16.7 today, so probably in the relatively short term, I don't know, next couple of days or next couple of weeks, it's going to come up back to 17.5. I don't hate microvision. I don't hate people who are long microvision. Maybe I come off a little bit strong and opinionated, but at the end of the day, I just want you guys to make some money. And I want to save you guys some money, so, you know, I told the bulls, why don't you just sell and re-enter? And I just don't get why people don't listen to that. Like, I don't know why you would hold through the whole thing. You know, HODL, well, now it's called Diamond Hands, right? But before Diamond Hands, it was called HODL. HODL. You know, it's a joke, it's a meme. Not always the best thing to do, especially in battleground stocks like this. According to the graph, the MACD, can't really see it too well down here. It's saying that you should probably sell now. Anyway, I think at $15, this is a pretty fair price for microvision. Personally, I'm not gonna buy it, but if I were to, I'd probably wait till like 12, and then I'd set my sell orders to 17.5. So that's my advice on this play. Whether you're bearish or bullish, set your buy orders $12, $10. Set your sell orders 17.5. All right, let's get to what's the next one? VXRT. Over the weekend, on Friday, it finished. Well, the RSI finishes at 81, and yesterday we saw a pretty significant pullback. How much did this drop yesterday? I can't remember, but it was pretty huge. I remember that. Yeah, I could have told you that was going to happen, you know. Again, every single investor should be using the RSI tool. It is such a simple and effective tool, and it takes like 2 minutes to learn. I can teach it to you right now. If it goes above 70, sell. If it goes below 30, buy. That simple. And you'll save and make so much money with this. At 81, well, I didn't make the video in time, but I would have said sell, and then it sold off. Dropped from like $11 down to $8. Today, this is one of these confusing things. Today, it officially finishes up 9.23%, but it's red on the chart. That's probably because of the pre-market action. So right now, the RSI is sitting at 60. So that's a little bit overbought because average is about 50. The moving average convergence divergence, MACD, that is saying to sell. And it is a lagging indicator, so you can't base it 100% on that. But I would say for VXRT, this will pull back a little bit more. I mean, right now it's fighting around this level of support at around 850. It's a little bit above that. So if it pulls back, and I think it will, can't say how much, probably a little bit. But if it pulls back, the next level of support would be 850, and then about 620 or 630. Then it would be 480, and then I don't think it's going to go below 480, but if it does, then 350. Now, if it moves to the upside, the next line of resistance would be about $10.90 or $11. Then it would be $14, $17, and $25. So really, if it breaks this level of resistance of $11, we could see some pretty big movement on this stock here. On all of these stocks, Microvision, Ocugen, and VXRT, they all have pretty high short interest, around 20%, I think, for all of them. Yeah, for this one, I would say, well, I mean, the big dump is already over, but I still think this is pulling back. So, yeah, that is the VXRT analysis. Thank you, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And if you enjoy my content and want to support my channel, please check out my Patreon. And just a reminder, I'm giving away this Xbox Series S. Contest ends on Friday. If you want to enter the contest, I'll link the video in the description down below. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. Not financial advice. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out, everyone.